Policies are changing in Indonesia, but the prices of your cooking fuel is going to increase. You must be wondering how. So the answer to it lies in the fact that Indonesia has just introduced Biofuel B50. Now, when we are talking about Biofuel B50, what exactly it is, we clearly need to understand that this is expansion of their earlier policies, but of what? So when we are looking at B50, it is nothing but 50% biodiesel and 50% fossil diesel, which was present earlier. Now, biodiesel is primarily derived from crude palm oil. And Indonesia has not just started this biodiesel, rather they have had earlier programs as well, such as B20, then B30, then B35, and now they have come to B50. So what they are trying to do here is that they are trying to cut their crude oil imports, which is at $7.8 billion in 2025. Now you must be thinking that why they are doing it and how does it affect us. They are doing it to make sure that they have domestically produced biofuel, so they are not dependent, their import costs are not increasing, and they have energy security, they have economic rationale where domestic palm oil prices are able to stabilize, and obviously they are also going for achieving their climate change goals. But this is also a strategic industrial policy in front of them where the domestic palm oil ecosystem will support farmers, it is going to support processors, and it is also going to support the whole biofuel industry. Now, another aspect that we need to understand here before we move to understand that how it is impacting India is that this is also Indonesia's part of broader clean energy roadmap where they are bringing sustainable aviation fuel also. So all in all, they need a whole lot of crude palm oil to make sure this transition actually takes place. And now because of this transition, there is going to be a heavy impact on global vegetable oil markets. How? Indonesia is a major importer when we are talking about vegetable oil, especially palm oil. And when we look at Indonesia, it accounts for 50% of global palm oil exports. Now, B50 being introduced, it will divert large quantities for the domestic use. Now, when this export is not available, that is where we are going to see global price increase. Now, global price increase will happen. Now, this is not just restricted to palm oil. Global palm oil rate works as a benchmark rate for other vegetable oils. So that means palm oil price is going to increase. It is going to make sure that soybean oil prices also are going to increase. It is going to make sure sunflower oil prices are going to also increase. What we have in front of us globally, even before what will happen in India, is that energy market is changing. In the change of this energy market, what we are seeing biofuel demand is increasing. Now, when the demand for biofuel is increasing, edible oil conversion for biofuel, which is very fundamental for making biofuel, that will move towards there, and this is going to cause food inflation. Now, this exact same thing is going to transpire in India as well because we are heavily dependent in terms of export of palm oil. We import around 8.5 billion worth of palm oil. And amidst this, 50% is sourced from Indonesia. So now this comes in a questionable place. And this will have a direct economic impact. Rise in your cooking oil prices. This is going to cause food inflation, and industrial impact will also be there. Where palm oil is used in FMCG products, soaps, cosmetics, processed food, the input cost of all this will increase, and it is going to push the final product prices as well. So this is how Indonesia is going to impact India and also the plate which is present in front of you. I hope you have had a fair clarity on this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. That was all from my side. Thank you so much.